You call my name. You fold your hands. You ask for my protection. Yet you wonder why my presence feels distant. I am Vishnu, the preserver of balance, of order, of Dharma. I do not leave you, but there are things you do that take you far away from me. Listen carefully. I am not moved by rituals alone. I am not pleased by words without alignment. I exist wherever there is truth, responsibility, and balance. And when these are broken, you step out of my protection. These are the three ways you distance yourself from me. When you give your word and fail to honor it, you move away from me. Your promises are not small things. They are threads that hold your reality together. Every time you say, I will, you invoke truth itself. And I am the protector of that truth. Remember my form as Ram. He walked into exile not because he was weak, but because a promise had to be protected. That is Dharma. But you promise, and then you bend. You commit, and then you escape. Each broken word weakens your own foundation. You begin to doubt yourself. Your mind becomes restless. Do you see? I do not punish you. You simply move away from the order I sustain. When you avoid what is yours to do, you distance yourself from me. You call it confusion, you call it fear, but I call it escape. On the battlefield, I stood as Krishna and guided Arjuna through the wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita. He wanted to walk away. His heart was heavy. His mind was clouded. But I did not tell him to run. I told him to stand and act, because your duty is not a burden. It is your path to alignment. When you avoid it, your mind fills with noise, anxiety, overthinking. But when you act with courage, even imperfectly, you move closer to me. I am balance, and when you live in extremes, you drift away from me. Too much indulgence, too much control, too much desire, too much ego. All of it creates imbalance. I rest upon sisa, in stillness, in equilibrium. That is my nature. But you swing from one extreme to another. You exhaust yourself chasing pleasure, or you suppress yourself in the name of discipline. Neither brings you closer to me. Balance does. When your life is steady, when your mind is centered, you begin to feel my presence again. So, if you seek me, do not look only in temples, look in your actions. Ask yourself, do you honor your word? Do you stand by your duty? Do you live in balance? I do not demand perfection. I ask for alignment. Align with truth, align with responsibility, align with balance, and you will not need to search for me. You will find me already within you, because I never left. It is you who must return.